Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In today's fast-paced world, where we spend a significant amount of time in our cars, the quality of our driving experience matters more than ever. In this video, we will unveil a comprehensive 5-step plan for upgrading your car stereo system, designed to help you transform your driving routine into an enjoyable and sonically satisfying journey. Say goodbye to outdated sound systems and hello to a new world of audio excellence. Step 1. Assess your current system. When considering an upgrade to your car stereo system, the first step is to assess your current setup. It's essential to evaluate your existing system to identify areas for improvement and ensure your new system meets your needs and preferences. Examining sound quality. To begin, focus on assessing the sound quality of your current car stereo. Listen to music across various genres to test clarity, bass levels, and overall performance. Look out for any distortion, muffled sounds, or imbalance between speakers. Common sound issues drivers face include poor bass response, unclear vocals, and distorted sound at high volumes. Experience on the road. Step 2. Set your budget. Before diving into upgrading your car stereo system, it's essential to establish a clear budget. Knowing how much you are willing to invest in this upgrade will help you narrow down your options and make informed decisions throughout the process. Understanding the importance of setting a budget. Setting a budget not only gives you a spending limit but also guides you in selecting the right components for your car stereo system. By determining a budget, you can prioritize what features are important to you, whether it's improved sound quality, smart connectivity, or advanced control options. Exploring price ranges for car stereo systems. Car stereo systems come in a wide range of prices depending on the brand, features, and quality. Entry-level systems can cost as low as $100 to $300, offering basic functionality and sound quality. Mid-range systems typically range from $300 to $800, providing better sound output and additional features. High-end systems can go beyond $1,000, offering top-tier audio performance and cutting-edge technology. The link between price and quality. While it's tempting to opt for the most expensive car stereo system, higher price tags do not always guarantee the best quality. It's crucial to strike a balance between your budget and the features you desire. Consider researching different brands and reading customer reviews to find a system that offers the best value for your investment. By setting a budget for your car stereo upgrade and understanding the pricing landscape, you can make a well-informed decision that aligns with both your preferences and financial plan. Remember, a successful upgrade is not just about the cost, but finding the right balance between quality and affordability. Step 3. Research and choose the right system. Before diving into upgrading your car stereo system, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and select the perfect system that suits your needs. A significant aspect of this process involves deciding how you want the new system installed. Let's delve into the installation options available and weigh the advantages and disadvantages of DIY installation versus hiring professional installation services. Considering installation options. DIY installation. Embarking on a do-it-yourself installation can be a thrilling quest for those with technical prowess and a sense of adventure. By taking on the installation yourself, you have the flexibility to work at your own pace and potentially save money on labor costs. However, ensure you have the necessary tools and skills to complete the installation seamlessly. Keep in mind that DIY installations might void manufacturer warranties if not done correctly. Professional installation services. Opting for professional installation services can be a game changer in ensuring a fast-paced and expertly installed stereo system. Car audio specialists possess the technical expertise needed to install the system seamlessly and tackle any compatibility issues that may arise. Additionally, professional installations often come with warranties, providing you with peace of mind regarding the quality of work done. When deciding between a DIY installation and professional services, consider your technical abilities, time constraints, and the level of precision required for your specific car stereo system. By weighing the pros and cons of each option, you can choose the installation method that best suits your preferences and ensures a world-class audio experience in your vehicle. Researching different car stereo brands, models, and specifications is pivotal in finding the perfect fit for your vehicle. Dive into online reviews, compare features, and ensure compatibility with your car's make and model. By being proactive in your research and installation decision, you can unlock the transformative power of a high-quality car stereo system tailored to your preferences. Step 4. Purchase and prepare for installation. Now that you've chosen the perfect car stereo system for your vehicle, it's time to prepare for the installation process. Ensuring compatibility and understanding wiring diagrams are crucial steps to guarantee a successful upgrade. Let's dive into how you can get ready for the installation, ensuring compatibility. Before making the purchase, double-checking compatibility between the new stereo system and your car's existing components is essential. Verify that the new system fits seamlessly with your vehicle's make and model to avoid any installation complications down the line. Additionally, consider compatibility with existing features like steering wheel controls, Bluetooth connectivity, and backup cameras for a seamless integration experience. Understanding wiring diagrams. Wiring diagrams may seem daunting at first, but they play a crucial role in the installation process. These diagrams provide a visual representation of the electrical connections needed to install the new stereo system correctly. Familiarize yourself with the color codes and symbols used in the diagram to understand how each wire connects to specific components. Following the wiring diagram accurately is key to ensuring the system functions flawlessly once installed. When it comes to purchasing a car stereo system, reputable sources like authorized dealers, specialized car audio shops, or online retailers known for quality products are ideal choices. Look for brands with positive reviews and a track record of providing reliable and durable systems. To prepare for installation, gather the necessary tools and materials such as wire cutters, crimp connectors, electrical tape, panel removal tools, and a wiring harness adapter specific to your vehicle's make and model. Having everything ready before starting the installation process will make it smoother and more efficient. Step 5. Install and test the new system. Now that you have all the components in place, it's time to install and test your new car stereo system. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process and optimal performance testing. Gather your tools and equipment. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and equipment handy. This may include wire cutters, crimp caps, a socket set, screwdrivers, panel removal tools, and a multimeter for testing electrical connections. Disconnect the old system. Start by disconnecting the old car stereo system. This typically involves removing the trim panels, unscrewing the factory stereo unit, and disconnecting the wiring harness and antenna. Be sure to carefully label each wire to make reconnection easier later. Install the new stereo unit. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the new stereo unit. Slide the new unit into the dash opening, connect the wiring harness and antenna adapter, and secure the unit in place with screws. Double-check all connections before reattaching the trim panels. Test the system. Once the new stereo unit is securely installed, it's time to test the system. Turn on the stereo and check that all functions, including radio, CD player, Bluetooth, and auxiliary inputs, are working properly. Adjust the settings and sound levels to your preference. Fine-tune for optimal performance. After testing the basic functions, fine-tune the audio settings for optimal performance. Adjust the equalizer, balance, fade, and crossover settings to achieve the best sound quality in your car. Take your time to experiment and find the perfect audio configuration for your listening pleasure. By following these steps and taking the time to install and test your new car stereo system correctly, you can enjoy a seamless audio experience on the road. Don't hesitate to reach out to a professional installer if you encounter any difficulties during the process. Upgrade your car stereo system in 5 simple steps and enjoy a superior audio experience on the road. Start by assessing your current setup and identifying areas for improvement. Next, set a budget and research the best components that fit your preferences. Install the new stereo and speakers carefully, ensuring proper wiring and placement. Don't forget to test the sound quality and make the necessary adjustments. Finally, maintain your upgraded system regularly to keep it in top condition. Take action today and elevate your driving experience with a revamped car audio setup. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.